I'm Freida Lo. I'm leading our technical accounting and financial reporting team, and our company went public summer last year. When I first learned about Workiva, honestly, it was a life change. You can link, you can do black line, you can do so many things within the application that really helps the financial reporting preparation and review be a lot more efficient. The benefit of using Workiva for the IPO, I would say summarize in 3 big areas. Number 1, the direct commenting. Really ensure that everybody in the working group is in the same document, looking at everything live time, and you can see comments response right away. Number 2, I would say the linking. As people who are in the reporting process or have done the IPO know that the same number can appear in many different places within your document. So at the traditional printer, there's no linking function, so you better make sure someone really makes sure this one number change that apply to multiple places in the document are getting updated correctly. And lastly, I would say I feel that my team, we truly have that control of our own S1, that we know our company, we know our product, and again, just make this whole process a lot more efficient and powerful.